Here's a brand new install at Willow Grove Mall. This is adjacent to a former department store that's being converted into like a Dave & Buster's type place, so I'm not sure what it is. That's a replacement, I think. Looks like they built in more mall on that side of the store, or building. The door's kind of cracked open. I wonder if we can see what's through there. Endura, but I'm not sure if it's Endura or Morel or regular. Car 23. That does count escalators, so it's not that crazy. I don't know when this was installed. I think it was 2019 maybe. That works. £3,500 capacity, again, car 23. Has the matte atoll buttons. There's a power outlet down there. Panel's kind of pushed in that corner. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed.